We have some data analysis techniques here. We want to know what they do. So our first one, I'll call it part A, is to understand the frequency with a display of rectangles with areas proportional to the underlying frequency. I'm just going to draw this to help you understand it. So you would have a series of rectangles. They don't necessarily have the same height or same width, but the area of the rectangle represents the frequency in here, the frequency density of that range. This is called a histogram. So it's a type of graph showing you frequencies. Part B. To understand if and the extent to which variables are related to each other. So how can we understand the relation between two variables? We want to see if there's a relationship between them. Let's say we have x and y. Maybe we make a scatter diagram.